One of the ways the poka-yoke system can control or detect errors is by making contact with abnormalities. Contact methods work based on contact. In other words, if a product physically contacts something, this should trigger a device to stop or not. Ultimately, the contact method uses some type of sensing device to identify defects in a part's shape, color, size, or other physical attribute. For example, many cars will beep when they are backing up. If the car gets too close, some cars will automatically stop. Other contact methods work based on energy. These energy-based contact methods sense when something is not correct. In the same example of a car, vehicles will oftentimes increase the rate of the beeping when it gets closer to hitting something. Contact methods may also identify errors or defects using a shape, size, color, or other physical attribute. Limit switches and proximity sensors are oftentimes used to gauge how close or far something is from making contact and ultimately preventing an error from occurring. For example, if we want to avoid placing an item incorrectly, we may have an asymmetrical design that allows the part to fit only in the correct orientation. If the item does not fit, it will make contact and prevent the item from going in. The contact method is one of the most frequently used methods in poka-yoke. In the next few lectures, we will look at other types of poka-yoke methods that you may consider using. We'll see you in the next lecture.